Problem 9. Let O be the center of a semicircle with diameter AD and area 2 pi. Square ABCD is drawn externally to the semicircle. A new circle centered at B has radius BO, extending BC. This new circle meets line BC at P. What is the length CP? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. From pi to r squared equals 2 pi, the radius r equals 2, the square's side is 2r. BO stretches across the square. BO equals sqrt, r squared plus 2r squared equals r, sqrt 5. CP equals BP, BC equals 2, sqrt 5, 4. So CP has length 2 root 5 minus 4.